In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to place a futures order inside of Ninjatrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you should be going up to ninjatrader.com. Also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, once you're logged inside of your account, you'll need to go over to the menu and click in Trade. You can also use the software in Ninjatrader to do this, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to use the web format. From here, you'll need to click either the trading mode, and from here you'll get into the dashboard where you can trade the futures. From here you'll need to go up to the search bar and find a specific futures that you want to place an order for. So for this tutorial I'm just going to use the Miss Deck 25 right here, and as you can see over here, now I'll be able to buy it, and then this page will pop up where I can either select simple or advanced, but for this tutorial I'm just going to use simple. And here I can choose the quantity, price I want to pay, the stop price, the order type where I can either select market, limited, stop limited, trial stop, or trial stop limited. You can also change the TIFs or the release. From here you'll just need to click send and then click buy. From here it should be going through if you have money inside of your Ninjatrader account. And then from here you'll go out again and you'll see order tickets down here and your position where it will be visible. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!